Okay, hey. That is a great choice. That is a great choice of the funnel builder platform to choose. Well, in this video that I get real with you, in response to this comment from one of the follower and personally also a friend, in regards to the choice of the various established funnel builder platform out there, right? And System.io is a great choice indeed, considering from these angles. Number one, the ease of usage as a beginner or even to the advanced level. Okay. Number two is the cost of sustaining. That means the long-term usage of it. Is it really value for money? Not just for beginners, also for very established and advanced business owners. Now, System.io actually ticked in a lot of boxes in regards to the ease of using it as well as the cost of sustaining it. As a digital marketer and coach since 2020, I have used various established brands. To name a few, that would be I started off with in 2020 with ClickFunnels, and towards the end of year 2020, then there's a new launch, also very established. Um, that would be Growth Funnels. Okay, so I use both, right? And at the same time, there's to name another one, that would be the Aweber. Uh, Aweber, right? The main business feature of Aweber is actually for email marketing, but they also provide you the features to build funnels, right? So that's why in comparison with these three types of funnel building platform, right? I would give my vote to System.io, which I started using this year in 2025. And that is after looking into the ease of actually learning it and started building on it, like sales funnels or leads generation funnels, right, for your businesses. So this is definitely a big plus. Number two, the cost of using the System.io, right? In fact, they provide you the free plan forever if you do not want to go for the paid subscription, right? They provide you the free plan forever. During the registration, they don't even ask for your credit card information. They just let it be as it is, and you put in your personal particulars, and there you go. You can start, right, using the System.io to build your funnels. And even eventually, when you decided to, go for the paid subscription, it is only 17 US dollar a month, right? So it definitely is really, really affordable. They the founder of System.io is not trying to, right, just focus on making a profit from you by having you paying for the subscription. By putting it at this cost of 17 US dollar a month, right? How I would interpret this, right, after building funnels on quite a few established funnel building platforms, I would say that it is a gesture that they are focused in helping us, right, by keeping a marketing cost very, very affordable for a lot of people, especially for the beginners. So that means they are more focused on providing you with good, right, services, right, when you actually pivot into the digital space, right, trying to create online income using the internet, right? So let me go into more details about the features that you are paying for at 17 US dollar. Of course, there is a higher tier plan, but even the highest paid subscription in the System.io, it is only 47 US dollar a month. So let's look at the features, the business features that is open up to you when you are actually a paid subscriber on the System.io. Definitely the basic, right? The basic would be the ability for you to build leads generation funnel and sales funnel. Okay, you can't actually build a webinar funnel. It is only meant for the 47 US dollar, right, paid plans. Okay, but it is already acceptable for a lot of beginners in that sense, because most of us, right, if you are beginners, right, you are basically trying to build a funnel that help you to consistently generate leads with your marketing effort. And next will be you are trying to going to sell something, right? Most likely it will be a low ticket item, right? That means low price products, right, which is actually a sales funnel, right? So it is already very, very comprehensive, right? So next up, once you have generated these sales and these leads, right, using these funnels that you have built, right, the next thing will be the follow up, so that you can build a stronger relationship with the leads that you have generated through email marketing, and that is also provided for you, even with the free plan, yeah. And next will be the ability to tag your leads so that you can have segmentation for your leads into different category when you do your follow up with them through the emails. Next up will be the automations, a deeper level of automations, which we can call it as workflow, right? Campaigns. That means your marketing campaigns in terms of workflow. It is also provided for you, right, in the free plan. However, there's only one automation can be given to you in the free plan. So inevitably, as you scale your, your online business, right, it is advisable for you to start the paid subscription of $17, which will open up for you multiple more, right, automation workflow, right, for you to create that you can actually follow up with your leads generated. Next, you are also given the access to actually set up your own digital store, right? And next up would be you are also given the access to actually form your own private online community so that you can put all your leads, right, to be, consolidated over there, whereby you can have furthermore, right, private online communications with them, sharing wins, sharing a lot of success stories and giving them more updates, stuff like that, right? So that means you are keeping them close to you by having a private, right, community to have a more close loop communications with them. And of course, next up will be the ability for you to set up your own membership sites on system.io. And the last but not least, right, lately they have added this SMS automation follow up with your leads as well. Right, so for more details in terms of tech support, if you would like that from me, comment below tech support, whereby I can show you my subscription hub for you to subscribe to, whereby you will have ongoing tech support from me.